Hello children, let's go with the part 3 of our respiration in organisms. Respiration in plants. Do plants respire in the way humans do? In human beings, gaseous exchange with the surroundings takes place through nose and mouth. Yes or no? You have studied in class 6 about the parts in plants that help in gaseous exchange. That's they are stomata present on surface of leaves and lenticels present on the surface of the stems. Yes or no? See. On the leaf, we have stomata. When stomata open, it will be in this way. When closed, in this way. It will be exchanging gases. It will be giving out oxygen, water, taking in carbon dioxide. Yes, while photosynthesis that happens. Now in respiration, it gives out carbon dioxide and closes stomata. In this way, gaseous exchange takes place. Through leaves, it happens. Lenticels. Lenticels are pores in the bark of stems. You could see here the bark of the stem. This is the lenticel. You have this respiration. Here exchange of gases takes place through this lenticels. Let us do an experiment to find out. Take a conical flask. Fit a 2-hole rubber cork tightly into its mouth and insert glass tubes into the 2 holes. Fit a rubber tube to one end of the glass tubes and a funnel on the other. If the funnel does not sit tightly on the glass tube, make a funnel with an ink dropper. Fill a test tube about 1/4 with lime water and dip the rubber tube into it. Now add water to the funnel drop by drop. Keep adding water till the conical flask is filled. 1/4 with water. Observe the test tube carefully while you add water. Did the lime water change color? No. With water it doesn't change any color. Now remove water from the conical flask and put some flowers and buds in it. Fit a cork on the flask and let it stand for half an hour. Now add water drop by drop to the conical flask through the funnel as you did in the previous experiment. Look carefully at the test tube while doing so. Did the lime water change color this time? Yes, it changes. It turns milky due to production of carbon dioxide by flowers and buds. After completion of your experiment, try to draw a figure of your apparatus arrangement in your notebook. You can do the above experiment by taking small rooted plant with moist soil at its roots instead of flowers and buds. But you would have to keep the setup in a dark place. Let's see once. Here we did not take the test tube outside of the conical flask. We inserted it inside only. See, we have taken flowers. When we see the lime water here, it turns milky. And when we take fruits, here also the lime water turns milky due to production of carbon dioxide. And when we take leaves also, the respiration will be taken place through stomata, so lime water turns milky. Even in stems, lenticels are there, so here also lime water turns milky due to production of carbon dioxide. And when we take root, here root hairs are helping in exchange of gases. So here also the test tube with lime water, that lime water turns milky. But when we take only water, no plant part is inserted, here no change of color takes place. Next. Let us do the last activity, that is respiration in sprouted seeds. Repeat experiment 8 using sprouted seeds like moong dal or gram instead of flowers and buds. What effect did the experiment with sprouted seeds have on the lime water? Yes, the lime water turns milky. On the basis of your observations in these experiments, can you say that flowers, buds and sprouted seeds respire? Yes. Give reasons for your answer. To live, the gas exchange takes place. They release carbon dioxide, so respiration occurs. Plants respire like us, but it is difficult to observe this through experiments. Both plants and animals use oxygen during respiration. Plants mostly respire in the nights. You may have heard of big hospitals keeping cylinders filled with oxygen. When a person has breathing problems, he is given oxygen. And an oxygen mask is fitted to the nose and mouth of the person, and a rubber tube connects the mask to the oxygen cylinder. So no, sometimes a patient is given oxygen during an operation. Could see here the arrangement of germinating seeds. Could see lime water is taken in the test tube. When germinating seeds are present closed, the carbon dioxide gas produced will be moving into the lime water and turns milky. This is about our lesson respiration in organisms. Thank you children.